So here we are in upstate New York, where we're having this major snowstorm. Right here you can see my car, or my wife's car, completely covered in snow. Here's my car, you can barely see it. There's a couple cars up there fully covered in snow. I'm gonna try to make my way over to the front. They pretty much closed off all the roads. There shouldn't be any cars on the roads, but I still see a few, and people are getting stuck. As you can see my feet, this feels like literally 2 feet deep right here. There's another car right here that's completely covered. Wow, this is really deep. And the snow just keeps coming and coming. It's not stopping. Yep, that guy up there is already stuck. So I'm gonna walk down the street, see if there's anything going on down there. Oh, it's cold. Now it's really windy and cold. The snow is insane. We got a couple more cars over here that are completely covered. So this is pretty much my road right here, which is smaller than half the size right now from all the snow. These are all cars right here, all covered up. Yep, we got a whole bunch of snowmobilers cruising the streets too. This would be a perfect day for snowmobiling. Here's one of the main roads. They're not even plowing. Yeah, so yep, this is pretty much it. Nobody's going anywhere. Nobody can go anywhere. And I'm heading back home. It's freaking cold out here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.